way better. Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be installing the 99 2000 SI rear seats on the EX Civic. But definitely been wanting to pick these up. I like the pattern on these a lot better than the ones on the EX. I'll put a picture here so you guys can see it. But I picked it up from a guy here locally. He gave me a real good price. He ended up parting out his Civic SI. Actually, his Civic was stolen, so they took a lot of the parts and just kind of parted out whatever was left of it. But I'm gonna go ahead and get him installed, guys, and I'll take you guys through the process. So let's go ahead and get started. Kane. All right, guys, so the seats are out. As you can see, it's not a huge difference, but the biggest thing is the pattern. I mean, the seats are probably the same thing. I just definitely enjoy the pattern on the SI seats a lot better than the EX. Plus, these were kind of starting to get real faded. Looks like the person didn't have tint or anything like that. These are still in real good condition. So the pattern is the biggest difference you'll see. So let's get them bolted up. Basically, guys, all you have is 3 brackets, 2 on the outside of these seats, and then 1 in the middle, and then the screw here in the middle. You remove that, and that'll get it all gone. But let's get them installed, and we'll see how they look. right, guys, there you have it. The SI seats are in. Looking way, way better. Guys, the seats are in. So just actually wanted to update you guys also on the 300ZX. I know I haven't been posting much about it, but I was able to talk to the mechanic and we actually finally got a motor in there that's running. I'll post a video in the little clip that he sent me here. Yeah. Nah. So the car is running now. The car runs and drives. The only issue is it looks like it has a steering issue. Typically when you pick up someone else's project, you don't know what they've done, what modifications they've done to it. It looks like they were trying to bypass the power steering just to not buy another one. So I did purchase a new power steering, and I believe it's the rack and pinion that we purchased on it, so we can have the power steering on it. So we should have that car back within the next 2 weeks or so. So just keep posted, and I'll start placing some videos on it. I am gonna sell that car, so if you guys are interested, definitely let me know. It has a fresh motor in it, and I'll make a video so you guys can see it. But yeah, guys, so that's it for this video. We definitely got the SI seats in. I like the way these look a lot better. And let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you like the seats, if you don't. Any tips on installing them in the future. I definitely thought it was going to be a lot easier. I guess it's been a while since I've installed the back seats on the Civic. But I appreciate you guys watching. Please continue to like, subscribe, and share, guys. I'm trying to get to at least 100 subscribers. So if you can share, I would definitely appreciate it. At 100 subscribers, I'll probably do a little giveaway, nothing big, but maybe a gift card or so. Give you some ideas of what you guys would like. But definitely appreciate you guys watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.